Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, I want to give you guys an update on what is happening with Bitcoin today and of course just crypto in general. So yesterday, very bullish news. Okay, very bullish news. A huge W yesterday as well, especially for XRP, right? We know Ripple, okay, has officially won the case, okay, with the SEC. So yes guys, okay, if you guys haven't heard yet, right, I'm pretty sure you guys have, okay. If you guys have, been in the crypto space, and you guys would, already, know the news that Ripple yesterday, officially, right, Ripple yesterday has officially won this lawsuit with the SEC. Finally, it's been a few years now since this case has been ongoing and in the process and whatnot. But yes, XRP is not a security, okay, and we saw XRP absolutely pumping up to the upside. You guys can clearly see that went all the way up to around 70 cents and over 70 cents at one point, right? But right now it's currently at 71 cents. So XRP is in fact having a slight drop. And I told you guys, right, this was very possible to see for XRP to have these small corrections back down to the downside. But I still believe, okay, XRP has a chance here to reach $1. And I actually want to go ahead and buy some XRP. I'm not going to do it today, maybe tomorrow, right? But I want to go ahead and buy some more XRP, okay, like what I've been doing for the past, few weeks now, right? Because for the past few weeks, I'm still DCA into XRP. You guys know that, right? I made a couple videos of me buying XRP, around 3 weeks ago, even a month ago. So I want to continue, doing that, right? The last time I bought XRP was about like a week ago, right? And then I'm just really glad that I bought XRP when it was below, 50 cents, right? I bought XRP when it was at like 47 cents, 42 cents, even when it was at like 39 cents, I bought a whole bunch. So I'm just glad I did that. But I really do believe XRP is going to really, pump to $1, very soon. So XRP is not a security, very bullish news. And, obviously with this news, with Ripple, winning this lawsuit with the SEC, XRP wasn't the only one that was pumping. We saw a lot of altcoins pumping. We saw, Polygon, okay, we saw Solana, we saw Cardano, all pumping, okay, and of course, majority of the crypto market, meaning, majority of altcoins, were in fact pumping yesterday as well. So yesterday in general was just a great day. And, we saw Bitcoin, right? I didn't actually, give you guys a little update on yesterday on, what's happening with Bitcoin. So today I want to do that, you know what I mean? But you guys can clearly see yesterday we actually saw Bitcoin pumping all the way up to almost $32,000. And yesterday when I saw that, I thought we were actually going to officially hit 32K and the pump was in fact going to continue. But no, Bitcoin actually is now back down at 30K. Okay, 30,400. And you guys are probably wondering, why is, Bitcoin dropping right now, having a small fall? Okay, why is, majority of the crypto market dropping as well? Okay, you guys can clearly see the global crypto market cap's coming at 1.21 trillion, so it's dropped a fair bit than where it was yesterday. Okay, and of course overall the market is down over 3%, 3.2%. Why is that? Okay, why, yesterday we had some bullish news, and then all of a sudden, 24 hours later, here we are and everything is slightly falling back down to the downside? Well, I try to do my own research. Okay, there's nothing going on or negative going on around, crypto or with XRP, but it seems like to me, okay, this is my guess, there's obviously some selling going on right now, so people are in fact potentially, trading or, taking their profits and whatnot, right? That's just my personal guess. And here's the thing, guys, right? This is my guess. So Coinbase tweeted this out, okay, yesterday. W for Ripple, W for the industry, W for the builders, W for the clear rulebook, W for the updating the system, and XRP is now open for trading on Coinbase. So maybe, people that actually use Coinbase, right, are in fact trading XRP. And that's why we are in fact seeing XRP drop. Maybe people are in fact trading with it, taking their profits and whatnot. So obviously there is some, selling off going on right now, right? Or it has to do something with Binance, maybe, right? I saw a little something with Binance, but I don't think that's that, okay? But obviously people are in fact potentially, taking their profits, I guess, right? But that's that, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin is still down, okay, and it seems like every single time we go to $31,000, okay, it drops back down to 30K. I've been telling you that many times, right? If I go to the 4-hour time frame, you guys can just clearly see that. If I zoom out a little bit, right, you guys can just clearly see that for Bitcoin. Okay, so it is in fact back down to $30,000. Okay, it seems like we will see a breakout very, very soon for $32,000. We actually haven't seen Bitcoin reach 32K just yet for this year in 2023. And then once it does, obviously that's going to reach a new high for Bitcoin. So that's going to happen very, very soon as well. So be excited for that, guys. Okay, Bitcoin is still holding up very well. You know, still above $30,000. At least it's not below $30,000. So that's really all that matters, you know what I mean, for Bitcoin. Okay, and it seems like Bitcoin is slowly right now, okay, going back up to the upside. You guys can clearly see that. So we will see, time will tell. I'll obviously keep you guys updated. But yeah, yesterday, Bitcoin was looking real good. It went all the way up to like 31,800. Okay, almost 31,900. And almost touching 32K, but we didn't quite hit it. But I think we'll see that very, very soon. So everything right now in the market is pretty much dropping. Not everything, but majority of things are in fact dropping today. You guys can clearly see for the past 24 hours, Bitcoin and Ethereum is down over 3%. Same with BNB. XRP today is down over 11%. Okay, pretty much 12%. Like I said, and it's pretty much at 71 cents. Cardano's down 8%. Solana's actually up today slightly at 2%. It's slightly dropping though. Dogecoin 2%. Okay, Polygon 4%. Okay, Litecoin 6%. Okay, the Litecoin halving is about to happen, guys, next month. So be excited for that for all the people out there that hold Litecoin. Polkadot down 1%. Bitcoin Cash 3%. Avalanche is actually up 3.9%. Great to see. So yeah, it is in fact a red day, guys. Okay, and this is to be expected. You know what I mean? Yesterday was a beautiful day for Bitcoin and crypto. Everything was absolutely pumping, especially XRP. So it's understandable why everything is in fact, you know, having a slight correction back down to the downside, right? This is very, very possible. You know what I mean? Because this always happens, guys. Okay, this always happens, right? Every single time we see, you know, the crypto market pump massively, it's going to have small corrections back down to the downside, right? People are going to sell off. People are going to take the profits and whatnot if they are in fact trading, most likely. And that's that. It's just how it works, right? And I really do believe it has to do something with Coinbase, you know, listing XRP, and now it's open for trading on Coinbase, right? So that's that. Now, let me show you guys a fair few charts for today's video. Just a quick one. It seems like Bitcoin's going to have a breakout soon. Okay, it looks like it, right? But no, it dropped back down, right? Consolidation. Okay, Bitcoin is back down at the 30K level, right? So it's still holding up very well. You know, at least it didn't break down. This is obviously a very, very strong support for Bitcoin and a very strong resistance line as well, honestly, right? It really, really is. But soon enough, we're going to see a breakout for Bitcoin. Okay, now Bitcoin, yes, right? It's gonna fall back down, which it is doing right now. Okay, and it's gonna bounce back up. Okay, and it's gonna reach back up. Okay, to the support level, and of course, the resistance line. Okay, and potentially finally reach $32,000. Okay, like I've been telling you guys many times, I really want to see Bitcoin surpass 32K. Okay, because once it does, that means, guys, it's going to, you know, continue up to the upside, because we actually haven't seen Bitcoin break 32K just yet. Once I really do believe, you know, we actually see Bitcoin break that level, I think another rally will in fact continue on to the upside, guys, right? I don't think, you know, once we see Bitcoin reach 32K, it's gonna, you know, drop back down to like $30,000. I don't think that's possible. I think it's gonna, you know, reach on your all-time high. So it's gonna go to 32K. Once it does that, it's gonna go even higher to 33, 34, 35, right? If you guys have in fact been watching my videos, I've been showing you guys a fair few charts, people indicating and predicting that we will in fact see the next targets for Bitcoin, which is like $35,000, 38, you know, 40, $42,000, 45, $48,000, even $50,000, right? But looks like a breakout's gonna happen very soon. You know what I mean? We saw Bitcoin, you know, reaching close, right, to, you know, 32K. But this right here, guys, is the balance volume for Bitcoin. Again, the balance volume breakout, it broke out, right? You guys can clearly see that. So it looks like to me, guys, just a matter of time after some profit taking, you know what I mean? And it looks like Bitcoin will in fact have another breakout very, very soon, guys. Okay, very, very soon. So right now it's obviously having a small drop, but still, you know, it will officially bounce back up. Okay, it will. And I just want to show you guys this, right? This is absolutely amazing. 500k Bitcoin. Is that possible for the next bull market? I don't think so. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you guys, right? I don't think a 500k Bitcoin is possible. I told you guys personally, I think, you know, 200k, 250k, maybe even 300k max is possible, but 500k, that is insane. Now, as much as I want to see Bitcoin reach 500k, okay, I just don't know how Bitcoin can pump that much, but we never know, guys. It could actually happen. It could actually happen, but very, very unlikely to happen, guys, okay? I just want to be realistic with you guys. Okay, I think 200k to 250k, maybe even 300k is very, very possible as well. But 500k, that is insane. So the next bull run, guys, yes, it's going to be parabolic. It's going to, you know, we're going to see some massive movements that we have never seen for, you know, Bitcoin history. This next bull run is going to be completely different compared to the, you know, the ones that we have seen before, right? So yes. Okay, we will see, guys, where Bitcoin is going to be heading. Who knows? It could actually reach 500k, right, in the next bull market. We will see, guys. Time will tell, but we are here right now. Okay, so what we have, in fact, been seeing for Bitcoin, it hasn't even started yet, obviously. You know what I mean? The Bitcoin halving is about to happen. It's obviously right around the corner. Okay, it's going to happen around April of 2024. So that's literally less than a year from now. Okay, and once that happens, we know every single time we have a halving, Bitcoin tends to pump the most. Right, that's where it really pumps, okay, and have parabolic movements. But of course, once that halving actually happens, we're not going to see Bitcoin, you know, pump straight away, right? You got to give it a few weeks time, a few months time even, and then that's why we're going to see, that's when we're going to see, you know, Bitcoin really pump. And that's why I always tell you guys, you know, look forward to the end of the year in 2024. Okay, so the end of the year in 2024, because that's when things are going to go crazy. And of course, early of 2025 and all of 2025. It's going to be an amazing year for Bitcoin and crypto. Just like what we saw in 2021, we're going to see for 2025 potentially, right? So that's that, guys. It's looking pretty good for Bitcoin for the future, okay? It really, really is, especially for the next bull run and the next, you know, bull market. But you guys can clearly see 2023 so far for the past, you know, few months, 7 months, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is up over 100% in 7 months. Okay, we know Bitcoin reached bottom of $15.4 thousand, around 15k back November. Okay, so that was like what, 7 months ago, and now it's currently, you know, above 30k. Right, and at one point, yes, it was over $31,000. So you guys have to understand, right? Bitcoin so far this year in 2023 has been performing very, very well. And what we have, in fact, been seeing for Bitcoin all of 2023 for so far for 2023, you know, for the past 7 months, you know, 6 months for this year has been a slow recovery back up to the upside. So that's why I always tell you guys, you know, for all the people out there that think we're going to see Bitcoin, you know, drop back down to like, I don't know, you know, $24,000, $20,000, or maybe even below $20,000, think again, because it's all ups from here, guys. Okay, we have already hit bottom, we know that. Okay, that's official, right? And it's clearly breaking out from its bottom, right? And of course, from that falling wedge that we have, in fact, been seeing for Bitcoin all of 2022. We know 2022 Bitcoin was dropping like crazy, and of course cryptocurrency, right? Because we're in a bear market and whatnot, and a lot of things were in fact happening on the crypto space, like negative things, right? Of course, we saw a fair few crypto exchanges pretty much shut down and go bankrupt. We know that, and that caused the market to drop. Okay, and we saw a fair few things happen as well, like Terra Luna crashing, and that caused it to drop as well. But yeah, you guys can clearly see in this chart, Bitcoin is just slowly recovering right now. Okay, with these pumps that we have seen for 2023 is nothing. You know what I mean? These are just slow, small recoveries. This is not big recoveries, guys. Okay, the bull market hasn't really started yet, but I will say this: we are in fact in the early stages for the next bull market, guys. So be excited for that, guys. Bitcoin is looking very, very strong. Okay, it really is. Now, the last chart I want to show you guys before I end this video is history repeating. Okay, and the target is around $50,000. And I told you guys, you know, towards the end of this year in 2023, I do in fact see a 50k Bitcoin to, you know, maybe over 50k Bitcoin, maybe like 52, 53, 55 maybe. People are in fact saying we're going to see a 60k Bitcoin. Yeah, that's possible, but I'm going to stick with 50k. But you guys can clearly see we are in fact in recovery mode, like I said, okay? And Bitcoin will in fact reach around $50,000, you know, towards the end of this year in 2023. Okay, and then that's when, you know, the bull market's gonna really happen. Okay, and that's when we're gonna see just things going parabolic once the halving actually happens, of course, right? So it's just like previous years that we have in fact been seeing for Bitcoin, right? We have a bear market, right? And then we have a recovery, and then we have the pre-halving, and then a bull market, right? It's literally history repeating itself. It's the same cycle, guys. So obviously we are in fact in recovery mode, and of course pre-halving, and then we're gonna have the bull market. Okay, so it's all ups from here, guys. Okay, it really is. So be excited for that for all my Bitcoin holders. Now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Stay strong. I know Bitcoin is in fact having this small correction back down to the downside, but we shouldn't be scared right now, okay? Because I really do believe Bitcoin soon enough is just gonna have a massive breakout to the upside once again at $31,000. Of course, hopefully, fingers crossed, reaching 32K. I really want to see Bitcoin reach 32K, but that's gonna happen very soon. Sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate that, and I will obviously keep you guys updated. I might actually go ahead and buy some XRP maybe tomorrow. The reason why I say tomorrow is because I think XRP could potentially drop further down, right? So maybe like 65 cents, maybe. Okay, all the way like down here, but we will see. But yeah, I'm for sure just gonna be patient here and just buy some XRP. You know, maybe later tonight, okay, because it is in fact the morning right now, so I might go ahead and buy some, you know, maybe tonight. I will obviously film it for you guys to show you guys that I am in fact buying some XRP as always. But that's that. But it's looking really good for XRP and just crypto so far. It really is. But that's that. You know, these dips are in fact, you know, to be expected, especially since yesterday we saw massive pumps. You know, it's understandable why today everything is sort of dropping and falling and whatnot, right? It's understandable. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.